Hey there, future shapers! Welcome to Skill Up Today, your ultimate hub for mastering the skills that will help you thrive in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're a student juggling AI-powered lectures, an expat navigating life in a new country, or a supermom balancing work, family, and everything in between, this channel is your secret weapon. Now let me ask you this. In a world where your smartwatch reminds you to breathe, your AI assistant schedules your day, and your to-do list feels longer than a TikTok scroll, how do you make sure you're not just keeping up, but actually getting ahead? Sound familiar? Well, here's the truth. The future belongs to those who can master their time. And in today's video, we're diving into Unlock the Future of Your Schedule. Master time like a pro in 2025. Oh, and if you're new here, don't forget to check out our channel for more life-changing content. Let's get started. Raise your hand if this sounds familiar. You wake up to your AI assistant reminding you about a lecture in 10 minutes, your smartwatch buzzing with notifications about overdue assignments, and your to-do list includes everything from acing that midterm to figuring out how to meal prep on a budget. Or maybe you're an expat trying to navigate a new culture, learn a new language, and stay connected with loved ones back home. Or perhaps you're a supermom juggling work deadlines, school runs, and keeping the house in order. But by the end of the day, you've only checked off a few minor tasks. The big important stuff still sitting there untouched. Sound like you? Don't worry, I've been there too. Here's the good news. Time management isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters most. And today I'm giving you 3 key insights to help you do just that. All right, let's get into it. Here are your 3 key insights to improve your time management skills, no matter who you are or what your day looks like. 1. Master the art of prioritization. This is the foundation of time management. Every day, ask yourself, what are the 1 to 3 tasks that will have the biggest impact on my goals? These are your most important tasks, MITs. Focus on these first, and let the smaller stuff wait. For example, if you're a student, your MIT might be studying for that big exam. If you're a mom, it might be spending quality time with your kids. Start small. Pick just 1 MIT today and tackle it first thing in the morning. Here's a word you might not have heard before. Chronemics. It's the study of how time affects communication and behavior. Some people are monochronic. They prefer focusing on one task at a time and value schedules. Others are polychronic. They're comfortable multitasking and are more flexible with time. Understanding your own chronemic tendencies and those of others can help you tailor your time management strategies to work more effectively. For example, if you're monochronic, time blocking, which we'll talk about next, will be your best friend. Time blocking, the master key. This is the ultimate secret weapon for time management. Time blocking is the practice of scheduling every hour of your day in advance, assigning specific tasks or activities to specific time slots. Think of it as creating a daily blueprint. Here's how to start. List your tasks. Write down everything you need to accomplish. Estimate time. Assign a realistic time frame to each task. Schedule blocks. Place each task into your calendar, leaving room for breaks and buffer time. Stick to it. Treat your time blocks like appointments, non-negotiable and sacred. Time blocking eliminates decision fatigue, prevents multitasking, and makes your day intentional. Try it today. Block out just 1 hour for your most important task and see how it transforms your productivity. These insights are your toolkit to stop feeling overwhelmed and start making real progress. And the best part? You don't have to do it all at once. Start with one, build the habit, and watch your productivity soar. Now, if you want to dive deeper into these concepts, here are 3 top websites to help you master time management. 1. Todoist, a powerful task management app to organize your priorities. 2. Trello, perfect for visual planners who love breaking tasks into boards and cards. 3. Focus at Will, a science-backed tool that uses music to boost your focus and productivity. And if you're looking for inspiration, here are 3 notable personalities to learn from. 1. Stephen Covey, author of The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, a must-read for mastering priorities. 2. Cal Newport, the productivity expert behind deep work. Learn how to focus in a distracted world. 3. Marie Forleo, a time management and life balance coach who'll inspire you to work smarter, not harder. Now, it's your turn. Which of these insights are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who could use some time management tips, and hit that subscribe button to join the Skill Up Today family. Remember, here at Skill Up Today, we're all about empowering you with the tools and knowledge to be the best version of yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Skill up today and take control of your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, go crush your day.